Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Callie Cat is in my lap. You want to say hi, baby girl? You stick your head up here and say hi. She waved at you. So I'm sitting here filming, and my husband walks in and said, "Hey, you got a package from Wicked Awesome." I'm like, "Oh, my Wicked Awesome peeps have sent me something." So if you don't know who Wicked Awesome Lifestyles is, that's Erica and Sherry. They have their own channel. They do live mask Mondays. They do unboxings, all kinds of fun stuff. They are a hoot. Two single ladies from the Boston area. I just love them. They're so sweet. They organize a lot of the collabs that I'm in. I will put a card above that will link you to their channel if you are interested in seeing what they have to offer. And now I am going to look at my package because look, bless you. It's got Sanderson stickers on it. Oh, Sanderson sister stickers. My goodness, say that fast a few times. Look at that. Oh my gracious. It says, being normal is vastly overrated. That is so true. Halloween Town. So I do agree with that. Being normal is overrated. Personally, I think weird is the new normal. That's what I always say, because people will tell me, "Oh, you're weird." I'm like, yeah, weird's the new normal. Join the club. All right, let me open this and see what's inside. Oh, I knew it was going to be Halloween related. How did I ever know that? So, you remember when that was a big thing? Oh my goodness. That is too cute. Happy Halloween. I want to see what this is. Oh, it's a headband. Hang on. Should I put it on? Oh my gracious. Hang on. See if I can get all his hair through it. What do we think, y'all? Isn't that cute? This will be great for pulling my hair up if I'm going to do a mask, which I'm thinking about doing a mask Monday for Halloween, or, you know, when I wash my face, but it could be worn like this. I don't know if it'll stay on me because my head does the thing where it just pops right off, but I think it could be also used as a scrunchie. How cute is that, y'all? Oh, I've got hair all in it now. Little skeletons and pumpkins. Oh my. They're so sweet. They're always sending stuff like this. I just love them. Put it around my neck. They're cute. All right. Sorry, Callie. Happy Halloween. My hair all messed up now. Probably. Who cares? See if I can get it open. They seal that thing good. Oh, I can see that. Come on, come on, come on. Just trying to look and see if there was confetti in here. It's gonna end up everywhere. They have a tendency to do that. Okay. Oh, it's a little cat. It's a little cat. Oh my goodness. Oh, it fell on the floor. We'll find that later. Look at that. Oh my goodness, there's a skull on here. There's little pumpkins and kitties and bats and witches, skeletons. Oh my goodness, the cuteness. Look at him. Look at him, he's so cute. Oh my gracious. Here's the little kitty I was trying to show y'all. Upside down, of course. There we go. Ooh, cute. Does anybody else get so tickled over the confetti like I do? Oh, there's a little ghost too, and bats. And I'm losing some of it already. A little ghost. Let me stick him right here. Yeah. You can see him though. Yes, I am a child, and I fully embrace the kiddish in me. The witch. Alright. Confetti sorted. Mostly. Hi Gina, hello beautiful. Just sending some Halloween love to our friends. We included both a treat and a trick, the confetti. We hope you have some spooky fun this Halloween. We also included a friend of Jack's. I forgot their name, but they will tell you when they get there. In other words, you get to name him or her. Haha. Well, they already sent me a Jack. I have a Jill. I wonder if they forgot that they sent me one. I have a Jill. Have a spooktacular Halloween. Love, Sherry and Erica. I can't say it. Love, Sherry and Erica from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Is that not cute? Look at that. That is just spooky fun. Spooky fun. They are so sweet. But yeah, they sent me a Jill already. We named Jill. We had a giveaway for naming Jill. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. Just some friend mail. Very sweet. Thank you, ladies. Don't forget to go check them out. Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. I hope y'all enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe to them. Subscribe to me. I really appreciate it, and it's free. Press our little thumbs up like Jill and their Jack. Please press the notification button, share with your friends, and if you want to donate, there are ways to do that. You can press the super thanks, or you can buy me a coffee. There's a link for that below. Y'all have a wonderful day. Happy Halloween. Be safe, and God bless.